As all of you already know, I'm currently on the Fendel campus of the University of Liberia. But this video is neither about the Fendel campus or the University of Liberia. In this video, I will patiently go through every topic covered by students who study Calculus 2 at the University of Liberia. Is that something you want to know? If yes, then join me as we unravel together all of the topics covered by students who study Calculus 2 here at the University of Liberia. Calculus 2 at the University of Liberia is one of the most challenging courses offered by the Mathematics Department. The course has 5 chapters which include antiderivatives, techniques of integration, indeterminate forms and improper integrals, application of the definite integrals, and sequence and series. So let's quickly begin. Department of Mathematics, College of Science and Technology, University of Liberia. Capitol Hill Campus, Liberia. Math 202, in parentheses, Calculus 2, and the title for this course is Integral Calculus. The prerequisite for this course is Math 201, which is Calculus 1, and this is a full credit hour course. Course overview. This is an integral calculus course intended for students in science, mathematics, and engineering, and or anyone requiring the topics covered. The topics covered include techniques of integration, indeterminate forms, infinite series, and application of integration. So the first concept covered in Calculus 2 at the University of Liberia is Introduction to Antiderivatives. Under antiderivative, you study the definition and notation, formula of integration, integration of trigonometric functions, summation and notation. Under summation and notation, you will study algebraic properties of sigma notation. You also study summation formulas. And then we come to the Riemann sum, upper and lower sum, the fundamental theorem of calculus, properties of the definite integrals, integrals of the absolute value functions. The next topic is techniques of integration, under which you will study algebraic substitution, change of variables, integrals of the natural logarithmic functions, integrals of the natural exponential functions, integrals of the exponential function to another base other than e, integral of inverse trigonometric functions, trigonometric integrals, trigonometric substitution, integrals of the rational function using partial fractions, integration by parts, integrals of rational functions of the trigonometric functions, reduction formulas. In chapter 3, you will study indeterminate forms and improper integrals. Under this chapter, you will study indeterminate forms and L'Hospital rule, improper integrals with infinite intervals, and improper integrals with discontinuous integrand. In chapter 4, you will learn about the applications of the definite integrals, where you will study areas between two curves, consumers and producers surplus in economics, arc length, area of a surface of revolution, volumes, and under volumes you study 3 methods of finding volumes: the Dix method, the Scher method, and the Washer method. You also study application of integration to work done, and specifically the Hooke's law. You study center of mass and hydrostatic force. In chapter 5, you will study sequence and series, under which you will study sequence and iterates of functions, infinite series. Under infinite series, you study convergence and divergence of series, the geometric series, polynomials, and then you study power series and operation with power series, Taylor series, and the binomial series. And this course guide was compiled from the textbook Analytic Geometry and the Calculus, 4th edition by A.W. Goodman. And as always, if you do math, you can do anything. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. And if this video is of interest to you, please consider subscribing to our channel on YouTube, following us on Facebook and TikTok. Because in the coming days, we'll be releasing a video going through all of the topics covered by students who studied Calculus 3 at the University of Liberia. Thank you and goodbye.